Now, more and more trillions. More trillions.
What does that number mean?
100 bajillion, dedillion, quintillion. That's what the number is called.
Oh.
Then we got the badillions, a badillion, then another bajillion, then another badillion, then another badillion, then another bajillion, then another badillion, then another bajillion, and another badillion, and another bajillion, and 100 badillion, and 100 bajillion. More 100 bajillions.
But why are you writing that number so big?
Because it's a big number.
Well, what does it mean? What did your mom say?
It's...
Is that how much you miss your mom?
Okay. It means... bajillion. That number.
But why did you write the number so big? Is that how much you miss your mom?
Yes.
Oh.